Hey Simply Bakers, it's Lainey from Simply Bakings. Today I'm sharing with you a vegan pumpkin pie which I promise you does not taste vegan. It's super duper easy. I know you guys will enjoy this recipe, so let's begin. So in a large bowl, add the sugar. I used organic cane sugar which is vegan. Then I added the cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, and salt. Next, I added the cornstarch, which helps solidify the pumpkin spice since we're not using eggs. Then I added maple syrup. Next, add the dairy-free milk. I use vanilla soy milk, but feel free to use almond milk as long as it's vanilla flavored. And finally, the main ingredient, pumpkin puree. I used 1 can and I went ahead and added it to the bowl. And then you're going to take your handheld mixer and you're going to mix this until it is well combined. So I have a really cool idea. I think you guys will enjoy it too. Thanksgiving is coming up and Christmas. I want to know if you want me to veganize any desserts that are usually like common for Thanksgiving or Christmas, like pumpkin spice cookies, but veganize it. Let me know in the comments. I would love to know if you guys are interested in this. So let's get back to the recipe. This is how the pumpkin batter should look like when you're done. You're going to set this aside. So if you guys didn't buy the pre-made pie crust, you can do what I did, which was just purchase the Just Add Water version. And I purchased the vegan pie crust. Just visit your local health food store and they should have it. If not, I do have a homemade version which I will link in the description box. So just add the cold water and then I mixed it and eventually used my hands to finish mixing. And then I just took the dough, placed it in between the parchment paper because I found that it was easier for me to roll it out that way, and then I transferred the pie crust into the pie pan. So I did a super duper easy decoration, which was just put my thumb on the edge, and if I messed up I just pinched it a little bit like what I'm doing now, and then I continued using my thumb to make the edges of the pie crust. Next, poke the pie crust with a fork, and then go ahead and add the pumpkin batter. So I just evened it out using a spatula, and then I had a little bit extra pie crust that I saved specifically to make a centerpiece for the pie. Perfect, it's done, and now what I'm going to do is pop it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. So allow the pie to cool completely, and I promise you guys this does not taste like it's vegan. You can taste a hint of the maple syrup that we put in, but other than that, I'm an avid pie eater or pumpkin pie eater and I couldn't tell a difference. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you on my next upload. Bye guys!